Welcome this video. Woodwork is a craft that allow you to create functional and decoration impact while also often a soft create outlets. For main woodwork craftwork often as leftover material for long project that discard those price you can repurpose them into unique and professional image. Wood with craft wood not only redeem wash but also challenge your create often result in impact and meaningful project belong we explored woodwork idea that make use of craft wood and the tool and technology you need to bring theme of live create craft wood project wall shave smart price of wood can be transforming into style wall shed whether you are use a single pick for a minimalist look or convenience hub to create a geometric palette wall shave or project and decoration add to be any space. How to cut your craft wood to size, sand the edge and surface of a smart finish. Sand to price use wood, gum and craft. Moment the shave use spring or hard supported. Sand or print the wood to match your decor. Plants box Craft wood is perfect of build smart plants, books from succulent herb or flower. Those books can be used indoor and outdoor. Photo frame turn succulent wood into rustic or match photo frame. Those make thoughtful gift and allow you to showcase your favorite memories. Cut for price piece of wood at 45-degree angle to from recycle and quick. Stand the frame use wood gum and gum. Add back glass or quick hardware. Bird, bird house. Bird house are a classic woodwork project that can be easy to use craft wood, then provide a cozy space for loft wing and can be customized in endless way. How to cut piece for the wall roof and base. Decoration with both or left the nature wood finish. Key hold. A key hold make from craft wood can be a functional and style add to your home, incorporating host for key smart shape for add unit wood top craft wood can be used a craft simple terms such as built black car or puzzle. This is a great project if you have child or enjoy make handmade gift to be how to apply a non-dropping finish. Smart furniture piece. While long furniture mean now a way to bring smart image like tone side table to bring can often be made for craft wood, cut board, edge cut board or excellent way to use hardwood craft then both functional or various sticky. Thank you for watching this video.